Today, we are making canapés with horseradish spread, ham, and cheese. You will need a baguette, cream cheese, butter, horseradish, ham, cheese, salt, red pepper, and parsley. Peel a little bit of fresh horseradish root and grate it finely. You could use creamed horseradish instead. Grate a piece of cheese. We are using Comté cheese, but you could choose a different type of cheese. Reserve little bit of the cheese for later, to put on top of the canapés. Dice ham finely. Here again, save some of the ham for later. You will also need cream cheese, such as Philadelphia cheese. We will use half of the pack, which is 140 grams of cream cheese. We will also add 1 tablespoon of butter. Whisk the cream cheese with the butter, using a food mixer, a hand whisk, or a fork. Whisk until there are no lumps of butter, and both ingredients are combined into a smooth cream. Add the grated cheese. Add the chopped ham. Add the grated horseradish, a teaspoon at a time. If the horseradish is very fresh, 1 teaspoon might be enough. Taste the spread, and if more horseradish is needed, add more. This is also a matter of personal preference. Some people like just a hint of horseradish, others like more. Add little bit of salt as well, if needed. Slice a baguette. Spread the horseradish cream over the top of the baguette pieces. We've made 10 canapés so far. You can make another 10, with the remaining horseradish spread. Cut small pieces of cheese, and add them to the canapés. Cut pieces of ham, and add them to the canapés as well. Cut red pepper into pieces, and place them over the top. You can add parsley, or other fresh herbs. Serve the canapés chilled,